Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 10 awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of your GoPro. If you are excited for that, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's get started with today's video. The GoPro Hero 7 Black has a USB Type-C port. And did you know that you can actually use any power bank to charge the GoPro Hero 7 while you're on the go? All you have to do is open up the charging slot and take any USB Type-C cable and then go ahead and plug it into the USB Type-C port on the GoPro, and you can charge the GoPro Hero 7 Black while you're on the go. How cool is that? This will definitely come in handy if you travel a lot, so you can be sure that if you have a power bank, you can always get the perfect shots. The best part is you can still use the GoPro fully while it is charging. The second tip will come in useful if you use the GoPro underwater quite a lot. As you know, the GoPro Hero 7 Black has a great touchscreen built at the back, but underwater it is impossible to use. So this is where the front screen of the GoPro will be handy. In the early generations of GoPros, we had this front display, and on the GoPro Hero 7 Black, you can enable the front screen by holding up the shutter button at the top as well as the power button on the right hand side. You just have to simultaneously hold it for a bit and the settings will appear. So you can use the power button to cycle through each of the options, and you can use the shutter button at the top to select the option that you have highlighted. By default, the GoPro comes with a beep volume that is enabled, but if you're not a fan of that, you can easily go ahead and mute it from the settings. So all you have to do is go into settings, general, and under beep volume, you can go ahead and set it to mute. The GoPro Hero 7 Black has great voice control functionalities. So in order to configure the voice control, you need to go into preferences, and then you need to go into voice control, and from there you can turn it on or off, and there are other settings that you can control as well, such as wake on voice. So when you say GoPro turn on, the GoPro will automatically turn on, and you can even say phrases like GoPro start recording so that the GoPro will automatically start recording. So other than that, we have some commands such as GoPro capture, GoPro stop capture, GoPro stop recording. This is actually a big list. If you can memorize this, you can fully control your GoPro without even touching it. In the next step, let me show you how to open up the gallery on your GoPro Hero 7 Black. In order to open up the gallery, all you have to do is just swipe up from the bottom, and the most recently taken picture will show up, and you can just easily swipe across to see the pictures that you have captured. And you can go ahead and hit on the grid icon on the top left hand side, and it will load up all the images that you have shot with the GoPro Hero 7 Black. You can enable highlight by hitting on the icon that is there on the bottom right hand side, and if you press on that, the highlight will be removed. And by hitting on the icon on the left hand side at the bottom, you can move the image to the trash. In order to go back into the shooting mode from the gallery, all you have to do is just swipe down from the top. Even though the GoPro doesn't have a huge sensor at the back, you can actually go ahead and zoom before you take a picture. So in order to do this, you just have to go ahead and hit on the magnifying glass that is there, and then go ahead and adjust the zoom the way you want. So you can align the picture the way you want and then capture the picture without even moving a bit. Plain, simple, and effective. On the GoPro Hero 7, under photo settings, there are two field of view options that are available, the linear mode as well as the wide mode. So the linear mode is more cropped, whereas the wide mode gives you the full wide angle experience, so you can select which one suits your need you want to capture the most. So you have the flexibility to pick the mode that will fit your needs the most. On the GoPro Hero 7 Black, there is a Pro Tune mode which will allow you to take manual control of your shots on the GoPro. So here you can adjust everything from shutter speed, to the color profiles. So if you want your recordings to have flat colors, you can do that, or you can go ahead with the GoPro set colors, or you can adjust the shutter speed, the ISO, the white balance and everything, and adjust and capture the picture exactly the way you want. The GoPro Hero 7 has a auto power off setting that is available under preferences that you can enable. So the GoPro will automatically turn off after a specific set of time. So it will let the GoPro automatically turn off after a certain period of time. If you want to be aggressive with the battery life, you can set the idle time to 5 minutes. Or if you want extreme use, you can go ahead and completely disable the auto power off option by setting the option to never. The final tip I have for you is changing up the video compression. So on the GoPro Hero 7 Black, you have the option of recording files by using the HEVC format. So you can reduce the file sizes and capture more using your GoPro if you use this. So definitely go ahead and use this, but be aware that the HEVC format is not compatible at the moment with all devices. And finally, for a bonus tip, I'm gonna tell you something that you must do on your GoPro Hero 7 Black as soon as you get it, and that is apply a tempered glass screen protector to the back of it. The GoPro is made for extreme use, and as you can see right now, my GoPro Hero 7 Black is already hurt and the screen at the back of it is already broken. Actually, it's not just the screen, it's the tempered glass that I have applied. So luckily, thanks to the tempered glass, nothing is wrong with the display. So all I have to do is go ahead and pick up a new tempered glass and stick it at the back, and the GoPro looks brand new. So definitely be sure to use a tempered glass with your GoPro, so that you can get the maximum durability of it, because if you break the screen of the GoPro, it might cost you somewhat to get it repaired. Prevention before cure, right? Well guys, those are some awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of your GoPro. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and hit on that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and definitely hit on that notification bell icon next to the subscribe button as well. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Drop a comment down below and let me know what are the types of GoPro videos you would like to see here in the channel. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.